PM announced yesterday in the budget speech, we're going to convene a Growth Capital Workgroup, which I will lead, and we will invite representatives from government and also industry come together to discuss how we can seize some of the new opportunities that are emerging in this part of the world. We see on one hand companies in Asia expanding, growing, and they will need capital. And on the other hand, we also see investors who want to diversify their portfolios and seeing the opportunities in Asia and wanting to come into this region. So I think the supply of capital and the demand for capital presents an opportunity for us as a trusted financial hub to see how we can benefit from this growth. And we already have some elements in the ecosystem for growth capital, supporting companies at different stages of their growth, from startups to early stage, later stage, and eventually for some of them to go listing in the public markets. And the work that we do through the equities market review, I think has helped to energize and bring about greater interest in our public markets. But now we need to also look at the entire value chain, see how we can support the companies who are coming in at the earlier stages and who are growing in the earlier stages before they are ready for listing. This private capital, the private markets, I think is a useful complement to what the banks are doing through their lending, and also what the public markets can offer. And we can allow companies to tap on venture capital, private capital, through private equity, private credit, and for some of them, securitized assets as well. So there's a whole range of different areas we can look at. Now, we will consult widely. We'll take in feedback and suggestions from the industry to see what are some of the areas we want to go deeper into. But my prelim sense is that there are two possible areas that are based on our discussion so far with industry players that I think we can explore further. The first will be the ecosystem to support entrepreneurs, and both from Singapore and also from the region, to come to Singapore, set up their companies here, raise capital here, and that I think will be a good addition to our economic growth strategy. The second area will be infrastructure, because in this part of the world, there will be a lot of infrastructure development as well, and that will require long-term capital. And I think this also plays to our strength as a trusted financial hub. There could be other areas, and I think we keep an open mind based on the discussions with the industry that we could see how the work group's recommendations can support these sectors to continue to thrive and to grow.